A trailer-mounted machine refers to any type of machinery or equipment that is designed to be transported and operated from a trailer. These machines are typically mobile and can be towed behind a vehicle, making them versatile and easy to transport to different locations. There are various types of trailer-mounted machines available, depending on the specific application or industry. Here are a few examples. Trailer-mounted generators. These are power generators mounted on trailers, commonly used in construction sites, events, or emergency situations where temporary or backup power is needed. They can range in size and capacity, providing electricity for various equipment or facilities. Trailer-mounted air compressors. Air compressors mounted on trailers are used for supplying compressed air in applications such as construction, manufacturing, and industrial processes. They are often used with pneumatic tools or equipment that require pressurized air. Trailer-mounted water pumps. These pumps are mounted on trailers and used for pumping large volumes of water in applications such as irrigation, flood control, or devatine. They can be powered by diesel engines or electric motors, depending on the specific requirements. Trailer-mounted concrete mixers. Concrete mixers mounted on trailers are used for mixing and transporting concrete to construction sites. They are often used in projects where a continuous supply of fresh concrete is needed. Trailer-mounted pressure washers. Pressure washers mounted on trailers are used for high-pressure cleaning tasks in various industries, including construction, agriculture, and maintenance. They are capable of removing dirt, grime, and other contaminants from surfaces using pressurized water. These are just a few examples of trailer-mounted machines, and there are many other types available for different applications. The advantage of trailer-mounted machines is their mobility, allowing them to be easily transported and deployed wherever they are needed.